Great day at Legacy Dodge in Claresholm. I'm here with Zella, and she's here for a $10 oil change. She's from Nanton. Zella, how'd you hear about us?
I actually heard about you on Facebook.
Perfect! Zella's a fan of all our Facebook movies just like you guys. So Zella, are you going to tell all your friends about us?
You betcha, I sure will.
Perfect! And how did you enjoy our customer service today?
So far it's been fantastic.
Awesome! Perfect! Give us a call at 625-4555 for your oil change as well. Thanks, Zella.